Hello, today I'm showing off my fire truck collection for Disney Pixar's Cars. I have Red the fire truck, and this is the Red from the original Cars movie. Notice he does not have the Team Lightning stickers. He doesn't have the 95 on him. And on his sides it reads Radiator Springs Fire Department. Then Radiator Springs here. He comes with hoses and a ladder, and none of these move. He is a die cast, and I got him, I believe, from the Disney store. I'll start with my next die cast. This is a fire truck meter or a rescue squad meter. He is also die cast, and he has a ladder and hoses and plastic wheels, but no moving parts or only moving wheels. And last but not least is my shake and go meter. He has rubber wheels, and says rescue squad meter, and even his plate is different than the normal A113 plate that you'll see on meter. This says rescue squad meter for Carburetor County, and these are stickers. He has stickers and even a sticker eye. And if you shake them, woo, it goes pretty far.
Mamma mia!
The law and the order. I'm so frightened. Crazy hot water. Watch out, folks! These officers are coming through. You're never gonna win.
We go!
Does this place have an echo? Dad, come!
Hello, today I wanted to show you the Colossus extra large card chopping dump truck. He is new, and he is sold along with the Drifters collection. And the Drifters are new mini cars. It comes with one here, Lightning McQueen. I'll zoom in on him, and just as a comparison, they're about the size of your thumb. They're pretty small. He was featured in Cars 2 when Mater and Lightning, in the beginning when they play together and they do a form of tractor tipping with Colossus. The way he eats the cars is, there's some foam pieces down here. You can see a little black piece. When you move the wheels, those pieces turn and pull in the cars, and it drops them right here, and this dump truck can fill up and hold up to 15 micro drifters. I'll open this up later. I'm giving it to my son for his birthday, so I'll show you the end product after he opens it for his birthday. Here's the bag. I've seen tons of micro drifters at your typical department stores like Walmart and Target, Kmart, Toys R Us. And here's some of them that you can collect. They seem to be flying off the shelf, so it seems to be a pretty popular toy right now.